Okay, let's talk about Down syndrome. So, in every pregnancy, you must have heard about Down syndrome screening. Now, it's very unfortunate that the Down syndrome screening using double marker was introduced in 1996. But still, even after 30 years in 2026, I still get asked this question. Even if like my relative is young age, so she doesn't have a risk for Down syndrome, so she didn't do it. Like, is there a need for Down syndrome screening or any other aneuploidy screening like trisomy 18 and 13 in young age group also? So let's talk logic. Okay, so on an average, the average incidence of Down syndrome in a general population is 1 in 700 to 1 in 800. Okay, so every one pregnant woman out of 700 is going to have Down syndrome baby. If we say that Down syndrome incidence is going to increase with age, we are never saying that Down syndrome only happens if the mother's age is more than 35. We are only saying that the risk is going to increase with increased maternal age. So let's say we have 10,000 pregnant women. Now, on an average, you must have seen the most of the pregnant women are from the younger age group. Okay, so let's say, even for the sake of the argument, the 90% pregnant women are in the younger age group and 10% are in the old age group, so more than 35 years of age. Now, when I say the risk is going to increase with increased age, so the risk of having Down syndrome in a pregnant woman more than 35 years of age, let's suppose it is 1 in 250. Okay, and in younger age group from 20 to 35 the risk is low, so let's keep it at 1 in 1000, that is low risk age group. If we are taking 10,000 women, out of which 9,000 are in the younger age group, 1,000 are in the old age group. So out of 1,000 old age group women, if we are taking the risk as 1 in 250, 4 of them are going to have Down syndrome, right? And in the younger age group, if we are taking 9,000 women with a risk of 1 in 1,000, 9 are going to have a Down syndrome baby. So if you just apply the screening test to the older age women group, you are only going to pick 4 and you are going to miss how many? The 9. So almost 69 to 70% of the Down syndrome babies you are going to miss if you are only going to offer the Down syndrome screening to the older age group. So don't just take one simple line that Down syndrome happens in old age. It doesn't work like that. Down syndrome incidence is going to increase with age, but because the most of the pregnancies are happening in the younger age group, most of the Down syndrome babies are going to be in the younger age group. So every low risk pregnant woman deserves a screening for Down syndrome. Thank you, and we are going to have more discussion about this particular topic in the future videos. Thank you.